달레 레사 바사 공모 총계 애틀랜티나 답데 사간시기 치조소 사마뇰리 치유텔 numgona nishone de seba tangja nishu zabden yinken Rashad Brooks water nyendo mine langde todam chize chebe ka kobe gole langzi chede nyendo mine sane loge mendate trone chuzi cheba tan chepji loge mendate nyendo mine chor gebji chebe kapsu nyendo mine kobar mendagemne gelamdo tanyudo.
While there may be debate as to
nyendo
whether
mine
this was
chachu
an
teda
appropriate
yoshin
use
chambashi
of deadly
yime to
force,
dole
I
yongsebashi
firmly
yina
believe
ya
that there is a
nedan
clear
dindrena chachu
distinction
lada cheda ta
between what you
chizam
can
chagu
do
mite
and what you
yinji
should
toba
do.
gugi yobar munzi
I do not
shuye
believe
nedan diina nyendo mine chachu teda yoshin chambashi mebe chane
I
ngene
do
menda
not
gebge
believe
nyendo
that this
minate
was a
lamde lene
justified
ne
use of
chibi
deadly
tonggobe
force
kagyo
and
tangwa
have
yin
called for the immediate termination of the officer.
Tengende chune nima jiksongwe jesu menda gyabge nyendo minate lene ne chibyo tangyo ba matse. Tongge ki nyendo mine chigyab yang gongshu nangyo chungyo dogatan. Teshi mima tsu kundru go ne tengende chungyo sagante. Mese tangyo ba so tongge Atlanta na ngogyo ta dewe singja chiro songyo do.
We need
Nyendo mina
reclamation of
tsu
how police
chachu
officers
labda
do their job,
pedante
how law
leju
enforcement does its
gugi
job.
do.
Because what
Te kanga
happened
shina
yesterday to
kesa
Rayshard
Rashad
Brooks
Brooks
was a function
dabo
of
lagbar
excessive force.
londa shi
And
mado
the
kozu
decision that
shen
the
mege
fact that they
shila
were either
tengsu
embarrassed
lagda
or,
cheba teta
panicked
chikchena
led them
ngoza
to murder
kage
a
ta
man who they
senza
knew
gone
only had a
cheba
taser in his
yingire.
hand.
There has been a disconnect with what our expectations
Nyendo mina
are
tsoro
and
rindu
should
cheda
be
ta
as it
songgyub
relates
chiyo
to
mima tsoro
interactions with
dewa
our
cheda
officers
nila parge
and the
chenpo
communities
shiyo
in
ngugi
which they
do.
are entrusted to protect.
Parge dida ki gesa Washington na yu timsu wa tsor soba nye sungzhi to nyendo mine chaju labda pedan te Juju gobe gudun teda nyeja chunggi Minneapolis na George Follett gelam do songwe je ngogu lingu ka shukjir songyup je. Nyendo mine tsubju diri meba sugyur jidun sobe tuzo tumi kusha James Lenford ge gyabgyur na yudu.
There's been a
Nyendo
long-standing
minatsu
principle out there
jingzir
that is
uga
not
tongkyo
needed
chachu
for that
dida gui
situation,
kor
and
zanzi
there's been
ija
a
mongol na
consensus
seyo
document
ba
that was done in
teda chilo
2017 by
nyedo
law
gyami
enforcement
chudu
around the
lor
country
mangmen
to say
takchu
that that
chungyo
is
ba
not needed.
sonsa
So
gyabgyu
I think that's
shugyo
not an
nenga
issue.
mindu songsha. Tenga nga di New Jersey chunggi jigyab suba ta chilo nyedo gyami chudu lor sinzi umi tesu shugen kusha Chris Christie ye chunggi Kenton na chashaba yina.
Police officers out of their cars onto bicycles,
Ngansu
on
nyendo
foot, and
minaka
embedded them in the
nungo
community,
na
both from a
mashapal
law enforcement
kangdata
perspective and
kabri kango
socially,
tane
George,
mima tutu
working with the
gyodo jugiyo
communities
ba
and
maze
working with
sansi
young men
chungwe
and
ka
women in the communities
tangdo
to
neda
develop
shinja
trust.
tongo ba
Secondly,
teda chachu
de-escalation
lada
training.
migu be
And the
zundu
watchword for
chage chewa
de-escalation
soji
training is
koro
first
chongda
do no
jugiyo ba
harm.
teda
And that
chizo shen
violence
chu
is a
mibi tayo
last
ba shi
resort.
chayu sungsha. Ari gesa Washington na timsu watsu mangmu gyabgyo tohne timshir jugyo tupgyo bezo nangyo yoba nangdar debe sago gashi ring sanne mangbor ngogo lingyo chungwe tunge kala tene ngade gashi gi nyendo mine leja pedan tegi timshir jugyo tangsin yobzi.